you will see here is another concept of conditional statements. Conditional means you will see for some value some action will be taken if it is true, and if it is not true, then some other action will be taken. For example, suppose a number is x, suppose a variable is x and the value may be anything. So how can you don't know the value? The value will be known at the while running the program. So depending upon the value, if we will see whether that number is positive or not. So how can you know? Means in your program you will check x. You are going to check x whether x is greater than equal to 0. That means it is positive. Otherwise it is negative. So this is the requirement of conditional statements, and conditional statements is given by if statement, if. So how the condition will be taken? The condition can be, I just told you that greater than equal to, or so similarly you can see here greater than equal to is called the relational operator. Not only greater than equal to, so there are, let us see, there are some relational operators, or it is told that comparison operators. So you will see what are the relational operators available in C. One is means in what way comparison can be made. The comparison can be made as equal to. You should use the symbol. It is shown as double equal, but it is known as equal. Equal to means whether equal or not. It is a comparison, not equal. Again I am telling equal operator. Equal operator, what is equal operator? Equal operator is double equal symbol. It is known as equal, not double equal. Double equal, it is read as equal to. Example you can see here, if A equal B. If A equal B. A equal B means whether A is equal to B or not. So if it is true, then the result is 1. If it is false, the result is 0. Here in this example you can see A equal to 10 and B value is 5. So if I say what is the value of A equal B? A equal B means 0, because A equal B is false. Similarly, you will see some other relational operators like not equal. You can see the not equal symbol is given this, like this. This is the not equal symbol. Greater than, you know, greater than symbol is given in the left side. Less than, it is given. Greater than equal, it is given. Greater than equal is given. Less than equal is also given. So these are the relational operators. Means only you can compare two numbers or anything. It can be equal, it can be not equal, it can be greater than, it can be less than, greater than equal or less than equal. You can see this column example, how it is used and what is the result. If it is true, then it is 1. If it is false, then it is 0. So where it is used? It is used in the conditional statements. What I told earlier, conditional statements means using if, simple if. So how it is, you can see the number greater than equal to, number greater than 0. That means it is the relational operator is used. Here the relational operator is used, means the comparison operator. What it is compared? Number is compared with 0. Number is compared with 0. For example, if our purpose is the given number is positive or not, simply we should write this relation inside if. So you can see here the rule of writing if statement. You will write if then the parenthesis, within the parenthesis you write the relation, means what is the condition or what you want to test. Then first you write the statement exactly after that, means this statement is for true part, means it is the true part. The statement that is written just after this line is true part. Where the false part will be written, you will see after some time. I will tell that where the false part will be written. Again I am telling, this is the simple if statement. Why if statement is required? If statement is required for comparison, comparing two entities. Here the comparing number and 0 is compared, whether it is greater than 0 or not. That is written inside if. So again I am telling, our purpose is to check the number is positive. If positive, then you write positive. So you should write printf, the number is positive. How it is written? The number, if number greater than 0, in this way. Before that, number should have some value. So scanf number should be before that. So it is a simple program. Another example of using, it is the simple if, means no else is there. What the program says? The program says if the number greater than 0, you print the number is positive. If not, nothing is given. If the number greater than 0 is not true, what to write? Nothing to write, because nothing is mentioned. If you want to write true part, means here it is there is only the true part. If you want simultaneously true part as well the false part, this program will output if the number is given as a greater than or 0, then it will print number is positive. If you input as -5, it will not print anything. So if you require to print if the number is equal to 5, no, if the number is less than 0, that is -5, it should print number is negative. So for that reason the false part is required. So false part is written by using else, ELSE. Here you will see the C program using if else. So the number is given, then it is written if number greater than equal to 0, printf positive, else printf negative. So what the output will come? The output will come if the number is 5. If the number is 5, then it will print this line. It will print this line. The number is positive or 0. If the number, you have entered while running, if you enter the number as -5, it will print this line. So simply I am telling, by using if else, you can write a condition. You write a condition. Based on the condition, what will be written in the true part? Means if it is true, what to write? You should write here. If it is false, what to write? You should write else this line. So this is an example of knowing how a conditional statement is written. So other things will be discussed next time.